Latest models of Apple Watch are equipped with several innovative features that enables in faster charging. Apple Watch has revolutionized the way we track our fitness with its innovative features. The latest models of Apple Watch are equipped with several innovative features which enable you to charge your smartwatch faster than before. Compatible Apple Watch models. The following Apple Watch model supports fast charging: Apple Watch Series 7, Apple Watch Series 8, Apple Watch Series 9, Apple Watch Ultra, Apple Watch Ultra 2. What you need for fast charging? To enjoy fast charging, you would require two things: Apple USBC magnetic fast charging cable. This cable comes with your Apple Watch purchase, but you can also buy it separately for $29. Make sure to get the A2515 model for compatibility. USB-C power adapter. Apple no longer includes a power adapter in the box, so you'll need to use an existing one or purchase a new one that supports USB power delivery, USB PD of 5W or greater. You can use Apple 18W, 20W, 29W, 29W, W9W, 8061W, 87W, or 96W USB-C power adapter to charge your Apple Watch faster. Important notes. Keep in mind that you cannot use Apple's MagSafe Duo or Apple Watch magnetic charging dock for fast charging. However, you can place the fast charger puck in a third-party dock.